Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Peak.com offers a diverse range of activities, from thrilling adventures to relaxing escapes, catering to every taste and budget. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping experiences or tranquil moments of bliss, Peak has curated a collection of options to satisfy your travel desires. Navigating their website is a breeze, allowing you to easily filter activities by location, date, price, and interest. You can pinpoint exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a heart-pounding zipline adventure or a serene wine-tasting tour. Peak's platform also provides valuable resources to help you plan your perfect getaway. They offer detailed descriptions of each activity, including information about what to expect, what's included, and important logistical details. User reviews and ratings provide valuable insights from previous participants, allowing you to make informed decisions based on real-world experiences. This feature is particularly useful for gauging the quality and suitability of an activity. In addition to individual bookings, Peak also caters to groups, facilitating the organization of outings for families, friends, or corporate events. Their platform simplifies the process of booking multiple spots and coordinating logistics for larger parties. Beyond its user-friendly interface and comprehensive activity listings, Peak also emphasizes responsible tourism. They partner with local operators who are committed to sustainable practices and prioritize the preservation of natural and cultural heritage. By choosing Peak, you can support businesses that are invested in the well-being of their communities and the environment. This commitment to responsible tourism adds an extra layer of value to the Peak experience, allowing you to enjoy your adventures while contributing to a positive impact. Peak.com provides a seamless and convenient booking process. Once you've found the perfect activity, securing your spot is just a few clicks away. Their secure payment platform ensures a safe and hassle-free transaction. Confirmation details are readily available, ensuring you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time explorer, Peak.com offers a valuable resource for discovering and booking unforgettable experiences. Start planning your next adventure today.